Hey y'all, I am Jared Hill. I'm one of the Oklahoma Cow Camp directors, and I'm super excited to tell you about an opportunity that you have coming up in March to get to learn more about not only camp, but everything Cowboy Church. This thing we have going on in March is the 8th and 9th. It is the Cowboy Church Workshop. Now, at the Cowboy Church Workshop, you're going to have opportunities to visit many different sessions about how to be a leader at church, how to be a Cowboy Church pastor, and how to lead a small group, and a ton of different things. And so here's my suggestion to you. I would love for you to grab your leadership at church, grab your elders, grab your lay pastors, grab your youth team, your children's team, and come to this workshop at Bar None Cowboy Church, March 8th and 9th. You are going to get an opportunity to be on the front lines of learning the registration system for Cowboy Camp 2024. That's right, we're going to be there, so bring your laptops, bring your phones, be able to sign up for camp at this workshop at Bar None Cowboy Church, March 8th and 9th.